me show you what my lawn's looking like after last week. Well, it's definitely perked up. It's had probably 3 good deep waterings and it's looking a little better overall. I'm really happy, but I've realised now these are actually burn marks. So we're going to have a look at these afterwards, but as usual, first thing we need to do is give it a cut. So let's crack on with that. And using the Artemis grass gauge, I can see we are about 40 millimetres. So in here I've got water, enough to cover my lawn once or twice just to get a nice even coverage. I've put some of my emerald green in, which will help hold water around the roots and nurture it back to health. I've put some seaweed in from Pro Clean, it's got a little bit of iron in there as well. And I've put some pure nitrogen in as well, which promotes rapid green growth. Pretty good, pretty rich, pretty deep colour. It's just these little burn marks now that we're going to deal with. I've got something I'm going to be trying, and it's just simple bicarbonate of soda. I've seen a hack, and if it works this will be amazing. Now this thing with the baking soda, it's just a bit of a fun. When I've asked Google, Google says it won't do anything, it won't help or anything at all. But somebody on Facebook swears by it, swears that their nan told them about this technique. We've literally just got back off holiday. I'm going to show you the lawn. I mean, it's held up, not amazingly, but given we've had 0 rain, and then it's had 0 rain for a week, or 0 water for a week, it's no surprise that it has dried out just a little bit. So this is the main section here. We've obviously got these dogweed burns, I'm going to have to deal with these. So we'll get on to them, and then we've got a section up there as well. So that's the plan. I'm going to give it a good watering in tonight, and then tomorrow we give it a mow and we'll see what we can do. It's good to be back. Oh God, what day is it? It's Wednesday, and it just I can't get back into it at all. I just can't get back into it since we've been on holiday. Well, until now. So let's take a look and see what we can do. Now the most obvious thing straight away is a mow and watering. We've just got to get back on with the watering, get some more emerald green on, and then continue with some deep watering for a week or two, and then we should get back to where we need to be. But we also need to deal with these little burn marks here where the dog's done the little wee. Yeah, let's crack on, let's give it a cut, and let's see where we're at. I also need to get in them borders as well, get all that cleared out, get all that tidied up. So much to do, even the hedges are in need of cutting. Yeah, that's pleasing. Given the drought stress, it's still pleasing. It's a good result. So the health is still there, but you can see the obvious drought stress mainly up there and starting to appear down here. Now these are dog wee burns and I'm going to be getting on to fixing them. But let me just show you from this angle as well, because it's good to see different perspectives. It feels good actually to have given it that cut. It really does. And you can see the drought stress already kicking in up this section here, which is an obvious section, and then we get some down there. Now, something else. You'll see that we've got a few weeds. We've actually got a few weeds in the lawn. Okay, and we've not actually, believe it or not, I haven't actually put any weed killer on since we've renovated this. I've just been mowing and mowing on a regular basis, so it's kept it nice and thick. And it's suppressed a fair few, but I think now's a good time. But before I do that, I'm going to put some emerald green on to rehydrate it, and then it's going to have a really deep watering. The weed spray, I'll just put that on, but it won't be on the video, but I'll put it on once I've done all this and it's had a chance to get in. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Right, I think that'll do for this video. There's things I need to do. I need to do more things. It's got to sort out these dog wee burns. But I'll save that for another video and I'll do a proper video on dealing with those. But that's it for now. I'm giving each area about an inch because it's not had at least an inch of water in the last week. We want between 1 and 2 inches of water, which you would see in my last video when I'm talking about how much to water. It's like an empty tuna tin, not tuna chin. Anyway, based on that, so that's going to have about half an hour. The next section is going to have about half an hour, and this section is going to have about half an hour, something like that. And yeah, week or so, we'll be back to good. Thanks for watching. See ya on the next one. Take care.